How to update your BIOS, quick and easy. Now before we begin, let's make sure to have the following. Number 1, an empty USB stick with more than 8 GB in storage capacity. And number 2, to know our current version of BIOS. Now to know this, let's go to our web browser and let's type in CPUC and let's go to downloads. Once we find it, let's go to the website. Once we're on the website, let's scroll and look for a version. In my case, is the Setup English for Windows 10. Let's close this window and let's just download it. And there we have it. Once it's downloaded, double click on it, let's open it, and now we're going to install it. Hit yes, and follow the installation guide. Hit next again, one more time. We're almost done. Finished. Now we can close all those windows, just making mess. Once it is installed, let's go to our new application, double click on it, and let's open it. Once it's open, let's go to the mainboard tab right here. We can see that my current version of BIOS, it's 4104, and my motherboard, it's a Sabertooth X79 from Asus. Now let's take our USB drive and insert it into any hub into our computer. Once it's mounted, we're going to make sure that it's on the right file system. So let's click on it, and right here, right click on it, and let's give it a quick format. It's on the FAT32 file system, which is correct. Make sure that your USB is empty because you're going to delete it completely. Hit start, OK, and then just let it do its thing. It's not going to take that much. Hit OK once again, and we're done with this part. We can close this windows. Now it's time to download our drivers and our BIOS version. Let's go to the browser once again and let's look for our motherboard version. In my case, like I said, it's an Asus Sabertooth X79. Here it is. Let's go to the Asus webpage right here, support. Now let's select our operating system. In my case, it's Windows 10. And let's go and look for our BIOS download right here. We can see here that the latest version that we had is the 4801 from 2014. And now let's look for our current version on the motherboard. It's 4104 right here. It's from 2013 and now it's time to update it. So let's download this file. Once it's downloaded, let's go to our USB stick, double click on it, and let's just open it on another window right here. Now let's go to downloads. This is the file that we just downloaded from the Asus page. Now let's extract it all. Once it's done, it's going to give us this particular file with a .cap extension. Now let's just copy it to a USB drive and then we're done here. We can close this windows. Now let's go to the Windows icon and just hit restart. Let's go to BIOS now. Once it's restarting and it goes to the black screen, once it's there, you're gonna hit in my case, is F2 to go into BIOS. In your case, could be Supreme, Delete. You're gonna have to look for that F11 as well. F2. Now we're hitting F2 because we want to go into our BIOS. Once again, we keep doing it. Press F2, 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 and we're here. We're into BIOS now. Now, once that we are here, we're gonna go into advanced mode, which is down below here. We can click it or we can just press F7. Okay. And we are now in the advanced mode. Now we're going to go into tools. let's go and look for the Asus Easy Flash 2 utility. This is very important. Click on it, and now we're gonna have this window. From here, you're gonna have to recognize your USB drive. That's why I named mine BIOS, and it's right there because it's not the file. The file we're gonna update is not selected right now. So click on it right there. We can see the CAP file, the Sabertooth X79 Asus. Click on it. Do you want to read this file? Yes, please. Okay. Do you really want to update it? Yes, please. Okay. Hit OK. We're doing fine. And now it's going to start. You can see here that it's going to take a while. I speed up the process, but do not interrupt this process because it can break your motherboard and your computer is not going to work. Let it do its thing. It's going to reboot several times. The screen is going to go to black several times. Let it finish. It's going to let you know once the whole process is finished. So be patient, and that's it. Let's wait. Pay attention to the process, hit OK once again. And now we're gonna go into black screen. This is where, you can be very scared. But relax, doing its thing, it's working. It's completely working. We can see there that it's starting all over again. We can see the fans that are starting again. Now press F1 to run the setup because we just updated our BIOS. And right here, we're gonna look for our current version. We can see that we just successfully updated our BIOS. We are on 4801 version from 2014. We're just in 2022, but it was the last one they released. Now we can exit our advanced mode. Let's discard the changes because the only change we did was updating the BIOS. And now we're gonna go straight into Windows. Here we are. Let's get our passcode. Great. Now let's go to CPU-C once again and make sure that our changes has been done. Let's hit yes. Let's go to the mainboard tab once again. And we can see here that our current version has been updated. It's now 4801. We can close this. If you like this content, please hit a like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.